Top 5 Best Automatic Gate Opener in 2020. Number 5. Ghost Controls TSS1XP. This opener can move 5 to 20 feet long gates with weights between 300 to 900 pounds. It moves more weight compared to similar models. It also meets the requirements of the UL325 7th edition standards. The installation kit includes a 10-watt monocrystalline solar panel. It can work with an automotive battery or an ABBT battery box kit. For maximum security, you can lock the system control box. This opener is specially designed for tubular or agricultural style gates. Its accessories have a warranty of 18 to 24 months. By registering your Ghost Controls opener on the product registration, you get a 6-month extension over the base warranty. The engine has a lifetime warranty, an advantage that you won't get with most of the products on the market. Pros: easy installation, durable and resistant, long warranty with the 6-month extension. Cons: it doesn't work with generic remote controls. Battery not included. Coming in number 4. Mighty Mule MM371W. It can move 6 to 16 feet long gates, with weights between 150 to 550 pounds. It provides both of single and dual gate support. Mighty Mule MM371W gate uses smart technology, so you can control it by using your smartphone from anywhere. This means that it's safe in case if you are not in home too. It can work with a 10-watt solar panel or a 12-volt transformer connected to an outlet. With the solar panel as a power source, it also requires an automotive or marine battery. The complete kit includes a mounting kit, receiver, transmitter, gate opener, instruction manual and DVD. It's very easy to install, although you need the necessary tools to do so. It also has a 12-month warranty, longer than most similar models. Pros: easy installation, durable and resistant, 12-month warranty. Cons: suitable for DIY users. Coming in number 3. USAutomatic O20320300 Sentry 300. Probably the most expensive piece of gate hardware on this list so far, but it is absolutely worth every single penny spent on it, particularly for commercial companies. This is because it can be hooked up to a solar panel, which could result in a 30% tax rebate. It is a tough lock, and opens surprisingly fast. This gate opener is perfect for commercial companies which have expensive pieces of gear stored behind their gates. Pros: the most secure gate opener that money can buy. Easy to operate. Can be used with solar panels. Cons: bit expensive for most people. Coming in number 2. Cozy Automatic Sliding. This automatic gate opener is ideal for the larger doors. It can deal with gates up to 40 feet long and weighing up to 1,400 pounds. One of the key features of this gate opener is that a person can set how fast they want the gate to open or close, which could be useful for all manner of different purposes. Extra remotes can be purchased, which is ideal for a business which may have multiple people open up to the gate. Pros: easy to install. Can be used with around 30 different remotes. Easy to customize the specification. Cons: not ideal for smaller gates. Coming in number 1. Mighty Mule MM260. This automatic gate opener has been designed for gates 12 feet longer and weighing less than 300 pounds, which should mean that it is ideal for most situations. It is suitable for all automatic gate types. This includes wood, metal and vinyl. Installation of the Mighty Mule automatic gate opener is simple, with all instructions included in paper form and on a DVD. There is also 24/7 free technical support to assist somebody installing this lock. It can be installed with normal tools. To get this in place and working, an additional battery needs to be purchased. Pros: easy to install. Sturdy. Opens automatically with the single button click. Cons: none.